Hey everyone, how's it going? So just a quick video here. Ford Transit Connect, this one's a 2017. To reset the oil life on it. We just did an oil change on it. It didn't have a change oil light or the message show up, but there is a procedure that you do have to do to reset it. So let me just show you real quick. It's pretty simple. So here I am just sitting in the vehicle. I'm going to turn the key to the run position. Okay, so now the display shows up. Now, had it said change oil, you would just hit the OK till you got to this screen. Once you're at this screen, both, I know you probably can't see it because of lighting, brake pedal and gas pedal over here, both brake and gas, you push them down and hold them to the floor. Obviously, car not running. Okay, so reset in progress. Keep holding the brake pedal and the gas pedal. This could take up to about 20-25 seconds, something like that. So you just keep holding the brake and the gas while it's doing its thing. Eventually it'll say that it reset. There it is, reset complete. Let go of the brake and the gas. Turn the key off. Turn the key back on and start it. Now it doesn't have anything in the menu on this vehicle to see what the actual life is. You know, some vehicles it'll show you, 5%, 10%, 100%, whatever. This does not have that. So, because this is a work van, so it's kind of like a bare bones basic vehicle. But anyway, I just figured I'd show you that. It's pretty simple, pretty quick, pretty easy. A lot of vehicles, well, I shouldn't say a lot of vehicles, but like Chrysler and GM, they have it where you turn the key to the run position and then hit the gas pedal 1, 2, 3 times to the floor, let go. And then all of a sudden the light should start flashing saying change oil soon or something along those lines. It really depends on the model. And then it's reset. Like on this, it's just the brake pedal and the gas pedal. Obviously don't start it. Probably wouldn't let you do anything anyway. But anyway, that's about it. All right. Hope you're getting something out of my videos. If you are, hit that like button. Could please subscribe. All right, have a great day. Keep wrenching.